Hi guys, thank you so much for purchasing the brush set from me. I made a version of the Photoshop brush set now for Clip Studio Paint because some of you asked for this. And I just wanted to show you how you can import these brush set from me into Clip Studio Paint. So you just open up the normal pen and then you go here to settings of subtool group and then you go to import subtool. Click on it, and then you go to the folder CSP Rainbow Brushes that you have gotten here with me. You just click on the brush you want to import and click on Open Up, and you have it imported like this. You have to click this for each brush by hand. Let me know if there's a method that you can import them all at once. I haven't found out one yet, but this is how you can import these brushes. So I just want to show you how these are working in Clip Studio Paint. They just work like in Photoshop. Everything is the same with the sensitivity and every option you know for my brush set. But I'm really proud that I could now make this version for Clip Studio Paint. So yeah, for the people who don't have Photoshop, I know Photoshop's very expensive. And I also love to use Clip Studio Paint in addition. So you see all my brushes are working, the nature brushes with the stamps I made and everything. It's working very good here. The watercolor brushes I made and the markers. It's all here imported. So I wish you a lot of fun with my brush set and thank you so much for purchasing and supporting me on my art journey. Bye bye.